How to quickly open programs using CMD. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly open programs using the command prompt or CMD in Windows. This method is a fast and efficient way to launch your favorite apps without clicking through multiple menus. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll need to do is open the command prompt. To do this, just press the Start button, type CMD, and hit Enter. Alternatively, you can press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog, type CMD, and press Enter. Once you have the command prompt open, you can start launching programs right away. Let's go through a few examples. Example 1. Opening Notepad. If you want to open Notepad, all you have to do is type Notepad and press Enter. Notepad opens instantly. This method works for most common apps that are built into Windows. Example 2. Opening Calculator. Need to do some quick math? Just type Calc and press Enter. Step 3. Opening third-party applications. But what about programs you've installed like Google Chrome or VLC Media Player? You can launch those too, but there's a small trick to it. To open Chrome, type Start Chrome and hit Enter. The Start command tells Windows to run the application. This also works with other browsers like Edge or Firefox. Just replace Chrome with the name of the browser. Example 4. Opening VLC Media Player. Similarly, for VLC Media Player, type Start VLC and press Enter. Example 5. Opening a folder. Type Explorer and press Enter. Example 6. Open Keyboard. Type in OSK and hit Enter. Example 7. Open Uninstall or Change Program. Here type appwits.cpl, hit Enter. Lastly, open Control Panel. Type in Control and hit Enter. And there you have it. Now you know how to quickly open programs using the command prompt in Windows. It's a great way to save time and boost your efficiency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome tech tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there are other programs you'd like to know how to open via CMD. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.